AdsPower is an anti-detect browser that helps you manage multiple online accounts securely and conveniently without triggering website suspicion or blocks. It works by masking your digital fingerprint, ensuring each account appears to be accessed from a unique device and with different proxies. Now, let's look at how to use AdsPower's magic. Download and log in. Download the AdsPower app in its official website and then log into your account. Get a subscription. You can see here AdsPower offers an affordable and flexible pricing structure. Our free plan offers 5 profiles for a lifetime, while customized plans are available based on the number of profiles and team members. We also offer a 3-day free trial with access to advanced features and a 40% discount on yearly subscriptions. Create a new profile for work. Now let's start creating a profile. First, click New Profile at the top left corner. You can choose either the Sun browser, a Chromium-based browser, or the Flower browser, a Firefox-based browser, to work with. Next, you'll need to choose the operating system and kernel version carefully, making sure they are compatible to avoid any issues with your website. We recommend to select an OS that matches your current device for better spoofing. Then add a proxy to this profile. Every time you launch this profile, it will show the visiting websites the IP address of the proxy you have added. You can also manage your purchase proxies in Proxies section. After that, you can continue to add an account of some platform and edit advanced fingerprints. Or you can simply stop here and finish creating a profile. There are also 2 other ways to create browser profiles: Batch Create and Quick Create. Batch Create is ideal if you need to create numerous profiles at once, perhaps for managing several social media accounts. While Quick Create is useful for quickly generating a batch of profiles without predefined login credentials. You can always edit the information of your profiles after configuration. In Preference in your setting, you can save your preferred profile setting, and then when creating a new profile, the information of profile is filled in default, which will improve your efficiency of work. Warm up profile automatically. Once you've created a profile, click the Open button to launch the profile and start managing your accounts. We recommend that you first use our automation tools, including RPA and APIs, to warm up your profile. Take RPA for example. This free no-code tool comes with pre-made automation templates for any website. You can create a new task and select actions you want to include in this task, like opening a new tab, visit a website, etc. In the RPA marketplace, you can find dozens of templates for different platforms. Choose one that fits your work best and add it as a task. Select the profile you want to work with and start the automation task. Now the RPA robot will automatically launch this profile and execute the task you have required. You can also create, manage, and search processes in Processes section. In Task Log page, you can check the result of the processes. Maxize the power with team collaboration. Working in a team is easy in AdsPower. To add members to the plan, first create a group and assign it permissions. Then add a member, give him or her permissions to different profiles. In this way, you can share profiles with your team members and work with your team from one place. We also provide the action logs, which allows you to monitor logins and members' operations in order to reduce the risk of abnormal activity. In the global settings, you can make common settings for super administrator and members, like 2FA settings, export settings, browser settings, multi-device mode, authorization method settings, etc., which helps you to manage the general settings within the team more effectively. Transfer profile to someone outside of your team. For account farmers and agencies, it's critical to ensure the accounts they sell or run are in a constant environments, without fingerprints or other information changed in the process of transferring. In AdsPower, we offer the ability to make this happen. Select the profile you want to transfer and click on Share. Choose what information you want to share with another user, just that simple. Extension management. The Extension Manager in AdsPower streamlines your workflow by enabling you to simultaneously add extensions from the Chrome Web Store to all profiles, as well as remove or deactivate them with ease whenever necessary. Click Upload Extension to upload a zip file containing the extension or the Google Web Store link to install extensions. Using the category feature allows you to categorize the installed extensions. You can also pin, update, and remove extensions. Synchronizer. The Synchronizer feature in AdsPower allows you to control multiple profiles simultaneously, which is particularly useful for tasks that require handling several profiles at once. Open the profiles in AdsPower. Click Synchronizer. set the main or controlled windows, then click Start Sync to begin synchronization actions. By specifying their position, size, and space, you can also change the layout of windows. Enabling the click delay and typing delay options under Simulate Actions lets you control the typing speed and click speed, making synchronization actions more human-like. Enter your desired content in the identical text box, then click Type as Human. You will see that the words are being typed in all the windows one by one. Alternatively, if you want to type different words in each window, you can input the text in the designated text field separated by a new line, then click Enter in order or enter randomly, and different words will be displayed in the windows. In the tab section, you are able to open the same tabs, close current tab, close other tabs, and close blank tabs. You can also input a website link here to visit a website. If you are interested in our products, we welcome you to register for a trial. Thank you for watching.